Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to add videos inside custom shapes in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia and import your videos. Now for shapes, go to the annotations and select the square shape and drag in here. Now adjust it. Then go to the visual effects and select media matte effects and drag it into the shape. After that, go to your media and drag your first media under the shape layer. And here you can see the video is inside in our custom shape. Do the same steps for second video. And here is the preview. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.